Ever wondered how this delicious treat goes from a bitter cocoa bean to the smooth, rich chocolate we love? Today, we're taking you on a journey through the fascinating process of making chocolate, from bean to bar. Did you know that chocolate has been enjoyed for over 4,000 years, starting with the ancient Mayans? Cocoa comes from the seeds of the cacao tree, which thrives in hot, humid climates near the equator. Farmers harvest ripe pods, open them, and scoop out the seeds and pulp. Each pod contains 20 to 50 seeds, enough to make about 2 chocolate bars. Fermentation, which takes about 5 to 7 days, is crucial for developing the rich chocolate flavor. The beans are then spread out to dry in the sun. Once dried, the beans are roasted at precise temperatures to bring out their flavor and aroma. Think of it like roasting coffee beans. It's a delicate process that makes all the difference in taste. Roasted cocoa beans are sometimes called nibs after their shells are removed. The nibs are ground into a smooth paste, separating cocoa solids and cocoa butter, which are the building blocks of chocolate. The process of refining gives chocolate its velvety texture. Conching, which can take up to 72 hours, involves slowly stirring the chocolate to refine its flavor and smoothness. Swiss chocolatier Rodolphe Lindt invented the conching process in the late 1800s, revolutionizing chocolate production. Tempering involves carefully cooling and reheating the chocolate to give it that shiny finish and satisfying snap when you break it. Tempering also helps the chocolate resist melting in your hands. Once molded and cooled, the chocolate is packaged and shipped worldwide, ready to delight chocolate lovers everywhere. From tropical farms to high-tech factories, every chocolate bar tells a story of craftsmanship and innovation. Next time you enjoy a piece of chocolate, take a moment to appreciate the journey behind it. Which part of the chocolate making process surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below.